Cargolux, the Boeing 747 isn't just an aircraft. It's a trusted carrier built to carry the world's heaviest and most complex cargo. As these iconic aircraft age, keeping them in the air takes more than routine maintenance. It takes vision, precision, and teamwork. That's how the idea to invest in a brand new hydraulic test bench was born. The Cargolux hydraulic shop team sat down to discuss the requirements to meet the growing challenges of operating a legendary fleet. A hydraulic system uses pressurized fluid to generate power. It is strong enough to move flight controls, operate landing gears, steer and brake the aircraft on the ground.
The Boeing 747 is equipped with 4 hydraulic systems. That's part of what it makes so reliable: redundancy, strength and precision.
But hydraulic components wear out. Valves, pumps, actuators, they leak, they weaken, they lose their precision. Each part must be tested before being installed on the aircraft. That's where our new hydraulic test bench comes in, to measure performance by simulating real-world conditions and ensuring every component meets the highest standards. The 747 is no longer being built, and as it slowly disappears from global fleets, so do the suppliers and service shops that supported it for decades. That means that fewer spare parts, longer parts and component delivery times, and rising costs.
That's why our engineering and maintenance team, including our hydraulic shop, took the lead. We launched a project to bring testing capabilities back in-house. Instead of depending on outside vendors, we define the quality of the repairs. We choose what to repair and test and set the priorities. It's about self-reliance, and it's how we'll keep the 747 flying well in the future.
You can't just buy a hydraulic test bench off the shelf. You have to define your own specs, maximum pressure, flow rates for the components you will test. Then comes the hard part, the development.
We partnered with TestFox, a supplier known for modular test bench solutions. Together, we tackled technical challenges, from testing complex actuators to software program development. When one requirement exceeds the bench's capacity, we engineered a custom fixture to handle it.
Each step demands close collaboration, from kick-off meetings over critical design review to final acceptance of the test bench at our facilities. Today, our test bench runs every day, custom built, co-developed and fully aligned with our operational needs.
In the past, we sent out repaired parts for our testing. Now we repair and test them right away. It's faster and more efficient.
The bench gives us incredible accuracy. We now catch variations that older systems would have missed.
The results now: more control, less downtime and ready for the future. With a few upgrades, we'll be able to test parts of the Boeing 777 as well. The design is modular, so we can expand without major modifications.
And who knows, maybe one day we will support other airlines too. But for now, our goal is clear: keep the 747 flying strong, safely, reliably for years to come. At Cargolux, every test, every repair, every innovation is driven by one thing: the pride of keeping our fleet soaring.